Hi everyone, I have some happy mail. This came on, I want to say Friday. Today is Sunday when I'm filming this, but I'm pretty sure this came on Friday, but I didn't even look. I mean, I kind of threw it on my dining room table and left it there until yesterday, and then I actually just brought it upstairs this morning to film it. This is from Niks Crafty Corner. Hi Nick. She's got, it's this surprise happy mail. Surprised me. Kind of feeling bad again because I still have her stuff here. But it's going out soon. It really is. It really is. Anyway, I don't know. Anyway, she's got some cute little Christmas stickers on. And it's been jingle belling every time I pick up the package. So let's see what's in here. I just slid it open, but I didn't peek. There's the jingle bellies. And I emailed Niks and said, what a stinker she is. Oh my goodness. And she said, if there's anything I can't use, I can pay it forward to someone else. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is, what is this? Spiral journaling notebook with cardinals on it. Oh, how cute. But it has like, oh, I guess that's just the seal. Okay, here's pictures of it. So the acetate, there's acetates and papers, Santa's list. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Yeah. 30 pages, 6 designs, 5 of each. Yeah, really cute. I like that. I'll definitely make use of that. Thank you. And here's the jingle bells. So, yeah, it's a pencil with ribbon. It's like ribbon all the way up and down it, and then feathers and bells, and this will have to, the little tag will have to come off, but yeah. Okay, cool. I could see I might have to take a Tylenol before I use that though. Oh, she knows I love kitties. Smitten kitten. Look at all the little doggies and kitties too. Doggies. Aw, one hot doggy. This is cute. I choose you with chewies. I love bites. Oh yeah, speaking of that, my cat bit me this morning. I tried to pick her up and then she purred after she was on my lap, but yeah, that cat does not like to be picked up unless she says. Anyway, and I was like, you drew blood, you little stinker. Anyway. These are 8 treat bags, really pretty with a heart on them, with chalkboard labels. Oh, I don't have any of those. I don't have the chalkboard stuff. They're cute for birthdays or Valentine's or something. Very cute. Butterflies for spring and summer. I have some of these, but not in yellow. I have, I think, blue and pink or blue and purple. I'm not sure which. So I will definitely be hoarding those for a little while until I figure out what to do with them. Oh, these are kind of jingly too. Christmas, Noel, embellishments, Christmas countdown. Oh, these are like Advent little pins. That's different. I may give these to my daughter next because of the girls. They can use them probably more than I can, if that's all right. Okay, noteworthy 13-dimensional glitter stickers. Tara. They're all flowers. Beautiful flowers. I'll definitely use those at some point. Tara glitter clears. Oh, these are other ones they go with. I like these. They're layered for sure, and they have glitter and glitter dots all over them. There, sorry for the glare, but there you can see. Okay. Who are they made by? I don't even know. Making Memories Wholesale. I don't know if maybe that's not still around. I'm not sure. I'll have to use them in my sticker collab coming up next year, as well as these. Beautiful sparkly butterflies. These are laser butterflies. Very shimmery though. I'm trying to get it so the glare isn't taken away from the shimmer. And I don't want to take everything out of the bag, so I'll use those next year for sure. Well, alright. This is paper. Moda Scrap Butterfly Dream Collection. Niks, you do like way did too much. Let's look at this paper. Well, I guess these are the patterns, but we'll look at it. I never heard of some of these name brands before, but this is really pretty. 12 sheets, design and print in Italy. Ah. Are they, and they're double? No, they're single-sided. Look at that. Pretty flowers. Very dainty. I love the colors in it. It's like a pale teal and like a rose pink. Ooh, look at all the leaves. That's pretty. And little feathers. Almost like a pale version of Pretty Peacock. It's like a teal, and here's a blue in it too. Ooh, butterflies, butterflies. Love, love. If anybody knows Ninja, she's probably, if she was seeing this, she'd be cringing. She doesn't like flying insects at all. Even butterflies. So, anyway, very pretty. Thank you, Niks. I'm going to just set that aside for a moment. And then this month, oh, I should use this to track my collab activities. I even use stuff like this if I keep this on my desk. I have a composition book right now, but when that's done, I could use something like this. It's a planner pad, but I could write my projects on instead of using it for the days. And same thing with this. So these are very useful planner pads. Thank you. And then Chamel Sparkle City. These are also like planner ones. Oh, look at the VW bug. I love that. And this is a plane and a balloon for birthdays. These are planner stamps. Today, important, don't forget to do, go big or go home. I used to have a friend up in Canada that said that all the time. Go big or go home. It was in reference to fishing and stuff, but anyway. Up and at 'em and give it your all. Yes, give it your all. I've been trying to do that today. Ooh, look at these butterflies with the pearls in. I've never seen those before either. Those are cool. Thank you. The little stamen, you know, those things. I want to say antlers, but I knew that's not right. Oh, here's a little cute planner thing. Weekly plan. That's a little bit small for me, but maybe my 15-year-old granddaughter is into planning, so maybe she can use them. Mistletoe. Oh, look at this. They're all stick pins. 30 pins. Deco pins, it says. They're little Christmas trees and stars and regular just beads. Very nice. Like Christmas ornament and then stars and then Christmas trees. I have never seen anything like that. And it's got a cardinal in the front that it's stuck into. That actually, I think, sort of coordinates with this. Mistletoe, mistletoe, see? Yeah. Oh, and I've come across her card. I think. Doesn't have my name on the front, but I'm assuming. There's the front of it. Happy Holidays with the pretty ornament and the poinsettia and the holly berries. Oh, well, I would never sell what you give me. She said I could pay it forward or sell, but thank you very much, Niks. Oh, good. You signed it Niks, so I don't feel bad calling you Niks with the S on the end. Cat calendar, and it stands up 2020. How cool is that? That's so cool. Thank you so much, Niks. I gotta open this. I need a little 2020 here on my desk somewhere. Because we're almost to it. We're almost to 2020, guys. Oops. Sorry. My bad. So let's see how this works. Oh, well, we got a stand-up kitty. Okay, they have a 1 for January and then 2020. And we'll put this in the back then. You have to have them all in there because, there we go. Cool. There it stands up, see? Cool. Month at a glance. I have never seen that before. That's cool. These I recognize. I might have these or I might have something similar. So I may re-gift these. We'll see. Maybe I'll use them on some treat bags for Valentine's. Because I have all these different pretty little hearts on, and a to from. So yeah, I can maybe get some Valentine baggies together. Thank you so much. Oh, and another, is this a different one? Or is this the one? Oh yeah, okay, these go together. So we have a weekly and a month. I guess it would be alright to put in the corner of a monthly, and then you can just check off something. We'll figure something out. Okay, thank you very much, Niks. I appreciate that. You did too much. I wasn't expecting anything, so thank you again for thinking of me. You're such a sweet person, and I really appreciate it, and all my viewers and subscribers and everyone that supports me. Thank you so much. I really enjoy doing YouTube stuff. It's kind of my thing now, you know. So as you know, I was really upset when this whole Kappa thing came about, but I'm proceeding like there's no change right now into 2020, with the only exception of the change being I have to mark all my videos appropriately, and I'm marking them all as not for children. And I am monetizing most of them, but a few I don't monetize, because if I have any question in my mind that they might flag me, I don't monetize it. Otherwise, I'm staying monetized, guys. I mean, I don't make very much, and it just helps pay the shipping and stuff like that a little bit. So anyway, all right, I will talk to you soon. Thank you again, Niks, and happy holidays. Merry Christmas, everyone. And I will see you Tuesday night on my live, I hope. Be there or be square, 7 p.m. Eastern. Thank you. Bye.